Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Taskade tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. So this is what Taskade looks like, but let us know what is this Taskade all about. Well, Taskade is a collaboration tool that combines task management, artificial intelligence AI, and real-time communication. Small remote teams wishing to manage and cooperate online will find it most useful, and the price is very reasonable. Taskade lacks the standard project management tools, yet it may be able to handle some simple projects. Asana, the editor's choice winner, is a more adaptable collaboration tool that can be used by team of any size and for a wide range of tasks. To start, all you have to do is to sign up. So you have choices here, your email address, username, password, or you can just simply sign up using your Google account, which is for me way better and easier. Okay, they will ask you questions like how will you use Taskade? Is it for work, for education, or for personal use? So everything is up to you actually. For me, I had to click this personal use. Now you have to create your workspace name. You can change the color here if you want. And then once you're done, then you have to tap this continue button. Okay. And then after that, it will take you directly to another page. So as you can see, I'm changing the color here. So you can invite your teammates. All you have to do is to copy this link and paste it to wherever you wish, or you can manually add their email address here. The good thing is that, as you can see beside, you can select if you want this person as an editor or just a viewer. So everything is up to you. So once they receive this, if they are editor, then they can, edit this one. If they're viewer, then they can only comment and view. So that's the good thing about this. If you want to download Taskade, you can download it to your desktop, mobile, or other extensions. So generate project with EI. For this tutorial, I just have to tap this one, design a flowchart for. Then tap this arrow facing down and you will see here choices. So let's just say I am doing this because I am a content creator, but actually everything is up to you. Tone, creative, add sources, something is up to you. Now you can go to your home screen if you want. It's really okay if you skip these questions. So this is Taskade interface. And as you can see, it's not that conflict or kind of hard to understand. So on the left side panel, you will see here, home, okay? And we have here a new folder, okay? Beside workspace and then another home. So under that, you can see here projects, task, agents, automation, media, roadmap, and templates. Okay, so here you can see share, quick add, notification activity, or your profile. And then we have your filters. Okay, you can tap if you want to explore. And then here you can see this option such as recent, my task, calendar, start, shared with me, workspace. If you want to add new, you just have to tap this one. Search icon, settings or the gear icon. If there is something wrong with here, tap this help icon right here. And that's it. Okay, so under reset, of course, here you will see your recent project, your recent task. Okay, and if you want to filter that, you just have to click this arrow facing down. If you want to see only those like owned by me, not owned by me, and then members of spaces, and so on. So you just have to select and you will see the recent task and projects here. Just you can see no recent projects because I haven't added or created one. So this is what you see here on recents. My task, okay, you will see here the task that you have created. Actually, you can filter this one. Task due today, upcoming task, and task that has no date. Okay. And then below you can see the task that is assigned to someone. And if you want to assign this task to someone, you can also go to this section right here and assign the specific task to your team member. You can see here your workspace, okay, and the workspaces that was shared by you. And then you can also see here your workspace and then whatever project that you have created. You will see it right here. So no task to display. So these are the things and features that you can see under task or my task. Calendar. Here you can also filter this one if you want to show all or if you want to show only the activity on your workspace. Okay, you just have to tap this filter right here. For me, or activities for others only, or activities for everyone. So you will see all the upcoming events or seminars or tasks or projects here, and you can create one. Okay, so you can filter it by month, week, day, reviews today, and next. Okay, so these are the things that you can do if you tap this calendar start. Then here there are no start projects. So if there is, then you can see it right here. Also, if you tap this icon plus here, then you can create one. Okay. So if you tap this share with me, then you will see all the projects that was or that were shared by you, by someone else. But as you can see here, there are no shared projects. Okay. And then this plus button, if you want to add a new workspace, then you can add it. But as you can see, I'm just using the basic version. I need to upgrade to any of this plan right here in order for me to add a workspace. I strongly suggest that you upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock these features. Okay, so as you can see, it's limited at this time. Okay, and how about the search icon right here? If you want to search a specific project, a specific task, a specific comment, and then you just have to go to the search bar right here and then enter the keyword for the comment. Enter the keyword or any word that you can remember on that specific task or project. Then all of those tasks and project or comments that has its word or keyword will appear right here. And then we have here settings right here icon. You will see here general, billing. We have here credits. Okay. Integrations, calendar feed, Google Calendar, Zapier, notifications, archives. And then here, if you want to change your username, full name, if you want to update, or if you want to delete your account, just go to settings and go to general. Billing. So you will see also, apart from that, you can change your password if you want and that is under general right here. If you want to add multi-factor authentication, if you want to connect this to any of your account or social media account or platform, and then you have here the sessions so that you would know the devices that you have logged in. Okay, and then we have your billing. We have here credits. Okay, if you want to earn credits, you just have to follow the instructions right here. And then after that, you just have to copy this link. Okay, and then share it. Okay, integrations. We have here calendar feed, Google Calendar. If you want to integrate with Zapier, then you just have to click one and then connect your account. But as you can see, I cannot because I'm just using the basic version. Notification, whenever alert or any new activity here on Taskade, you will receive that and you will be notified. So all you have to do is to go to notifications. Okay, and then after that, you can also go to archives. Here you can see or manage your archive spaces. Whether it's a workspace or a folder, you can restore or delete them. Okay. So everything is up to you. If you accidentally deleted a project or folder, go to archive and restore. Okay. And then here, under this gear icon, you will see these features. Okay. If you encounter some problems, then go to contact. You can contact them. You just have to simply enter their email address, and then you can select if it's sales or support, and then message them with your concern. And then after that, you can send this message or send message button. And if you want to message them on your email address, then you can just simply tap this email address here under contact information, or you can call them if you want to address the issue. Okay, so that's all you can see here on the left panel. On the right side of the top right corner, you will see your profile. Under your profile, you will see this reference earn, keyboard shortcuts, appearance, language. Okay, if you want to change your language, you can tap your profile here. Okay, and then if you want to change your theme, like light or dark, Notifications, settings, Taskade AI, and prompt templates, browse templates, what's new, help center, contact, and if you want to log out. Okay, so under help center, you will see here some articles. If you have tons of questions and if you want to know more about Taskade, you can go to help center and read some of the information here about specific feature here on Taskade. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you want to log out, you just have to log out if you want and enter another account if you want. So that's it. So as you can see, this is just how easy it is. So to start with your task, just go to task and then tap this plus button, type anything. For example, my task, set a due date for that, and then assign it to yourself or to someone, your team member, and then select the workspace. But for now, I have one workspace only, so I had to tap this folder. If you have other folder, project, the name of the project, and then block, location, and then add to project. And that's it. You have created your task already. So that's how easy it is to use this Taskade. And I hope this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.